Greetings to all my dear students. I hope you are good and fit at home. Today we are going to see Unit 2. It is a prose. The title of the prose is That Sunday Morning. In this That Sunday Morning, we are going to see today part 1. The author of the prose is Savita Singh. Have you seen her, children? No, even I too have not seen, but she has written this prose. This story is an unpleasant episode of the author Savita Singh and how she managed to get out of it. It is the story of Savita Singh. Her own story she has written and how she was struggling to come out of it with the difficulties. When you say here, my father, I or whatever comes, it is the writer's father or I means it is the Savita. Okay, now let us see the lesson. My father was posted in Patna. Here my father is the writer's father. Here writer is Savita. Now Savita's father is posted in Patna. Now you know that your parents also, when they do some government job or private job also, they get a transfer and they go to another place. In the same way, now Savita's father got posted in Patna. As her father was posted in Patna, Savita and her brother also went along with him to Patna, because the father cannot leave the children here and go to other place. So they too went along with her father. On the first Sunday there, as they went to that place, the first Sunday there, my brother and I decided to do a little exploring on our bikes. When you go to a new place, you like to see the surroundings. Nearby, what are the places are there, how the surroundings are, and so on. You like to see. In the same way, Savita and her brother decided to do a little exploring on our bikes. They have decided a little exploring on a bike. On their bike, they wanted to go and see the surroundings. Exploring means traveling for discovery. They want to see what exactly the place is about, what is happening in around, because it is a new place for them. It was still very early in the morning. In the morning, they wanted to go and see. Early in the morning, and only a few people were about. You know that early morning, you will see very few people on the road, on the streets, because they will be sleeping or remaining at home. So very few people were about on the road. The roads were good. The road was very good. Not only near to their house, but in that Patna, the roads were very good. And the trees lining them were shady. The trees were on line on the road and it was giving shade. Okay, people can walk, they can ride bicycle, bike. Okay, it was very good road they had, and the trees were lined up and the trees were giving shade. There were no imposing buildings. There were no imposing buildings. Imposing means grand or impressive. Okay, there were no very grand building or very much impressive. No, everyone can attract like that. There was no buildings or monuments as there are in Delhi. See, when you look at Delhi, there are monuments and picnic spots, very big buildings and so on. But in Patna, all those things were not there. From where we had just come, where they were there, all these things were there. Big buildings, very attractive buildings, and the monuments. When the monuments are there, many people come to visit. Isn't it, children? It was there in Delhi, but now they have come to Patna. In that place, there were no imposing buildings or monuments as there are in Delhi, from where we had just come. They have just come to Patna and they went to see the surroundings, how the roads are, how the villages, how the city is. But all those things they were not able to find. After cycling for about half an hour they were cycling. Okay, after cycling for about half an hour, my brother got bored and said, he was very tired. He got bored because cycling for half an hour. When you cycle continuously for half an hour, you also get bored. The same way, Savita's brother, that is the writer's brother, got bored as he was cycling for half an hour. And he said, come on. He is telling to her, come on, I will race you to that corner. Means, come on, we'll have a race to that corner. Race, you know, children, running race is there, cycling race is there, bike race is there, horse race is there. So in the same way, he is telling her, come on, I will race you to that corner. See, each building has a corner. In the same way, when you go ride on the bicycle, there will be a corner to reach that destination. The loser treats the other to a chocolate. Okay, see, he is telling, if you lose, you have to treat me with a chocolate. Will you agree? Okay, is that okay? The loser has to treat the other to a chocolate. He is telling that, now come on, we both of us will ride the bicycle, will have the race, and one who loses will treat the other with the chocolate. Is that okay? That is what he is asking, because he was full of confidence that he will win, and Savita, that is his sister, will be the loser and he will get the chocolate. That is what he is doing, telling her that one who loses will give the other with a chocolate. Is that okay? Okay. Okay. She also is agreeing. Come on. Then he is telling, okay, 1, 2, 3. Whenever you have a race, you tell, isn't it? The guide will tell you 1, 2, 3. Come on, go. In the same way, he also is telling, okay, 1, 2, 3. I said, and then we were off. They told and they were off. When 1, 2, 3. When the third number comes, you have to be ready to race, to move from that place. Okay. So they said and they were off. This was not the first time we had raced. See, when they told 1, 2, 3 and they started to race, this race was not the first time. Very often they used to have this race. Okay, the place where they were there, in Delhi they were there. In that place also, brother and sister both were having good race, cycle race or the bike race. In the same way, they came to a new place that is in Patna and they wanted to have a race. They saw the road was good and the trees were on line. It is giving good shade, so they can race. So they started to race. Only my brother had invariably beaten me and then crowd about it for days. Invariably means always. Always he wins. He beats her. Because he's a boy, no? So he thought always he will win and he will boast her, no? Means crowd. He will always boast himself. Only I can ride well. So she was telling, only my brother had invariably beaten me and then crowd about it for days. For days he boasts of himself. When you do such a great thing, so, oh my God, I have done it. No, you have not done. I have done it. That is what the boasting about. I was determined to win this time. Determined. She was having a great willpower. The spirit never to give up. That is what the spirit is she had. Come on. I will not lose this time. I was very much determined to win this time. Every time my brother wins and he boasts of himself, come on, this time I will not give up. I will try to do my best to win this race, the challenge which he has put. Then I pedaled as fast as I could. You know, children, when you ride the bicycle, you have to pedal where you are keeping your leg. So, when you pedal only, you can go fast. As she was determined to win this time, with full of good spirit, she pedaled as fast as she could. When you pedal fast, you can win. If you don't pedal the cycle fast, you cannot win. So she pedaled as fast as she could. When you pedal fast, what happened to your leg? It gets pain. My legs ached and my skirt pillowed out. Means her legs started to pain a lot because she is pedaling very fast. Ache means pain. Pillowed out means to flare out in the wind. Then her skirt started to fly to her face. It was touching to her face. Because when you pedal fast, the wind also comes out, flare out in the wind. So her skirt was trying to touch her face. Threatening means warning to hit my face. The trees on either side of the road had become one green blur. Okay, as we know that on the road, the trees were lined up. So either side of the road, the trees were there and had become one green blur. My hair pillow behind me and my lungs were bursting for air. Because she was riding very fast, she wanted to get the air to breathe in, bursting for air. Soon I drew level with my brother. See, she was equally driving with her brother. As she was coming back of her brother, now she leveled with her brother and then gradually I moved again. So, as she was trying to come before her brother, pedaling fast and fast and fast, now she reached to her level of the brother, and then gradually she moved ahead. She came fast. That is what the good spirit she had. Now children, tell me, who is the loser? Her brother is the loser. Savita came first now. So now her brother is behind of her. So dear children, you need to have that determination to win the race, win in everything.